How to monetize your Instagram account. First things first is pull up your Instagram app, go to your profile picture, and then click on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down a bit and go to Creator Tools and Controls. From here, you'll just have to tap on Add a new professional account. Let's go ahead and continue and follow through process for you to be able to make a monetization account first. Now, once you're done setting up your creator account or the account that you want to get monetized, all you have to do is to go back to the three lines right here, then scroll down, go to Creator Tools and Controls, and from here, you go to Monetization Status. Now, right here, um, this will be a specific page in which you will know if your account is capable of getting monetized. Now, once your account is able to be monetized, all you have to do is to add payments, and then you'll just have to customize all of these options on creator page. So you can go ahead and add a new professional account. You can do appointment request, set up your frequently asked questions. You can save replies, link profile to shops. You can even add partnership ads, branded contents, and please do make sure that you make this as your first priority. All right, so that's it. So that's how easy you can set up or get your Instagram account to be monetized.